Good morning, dear students. In my previous video, I had explained you the poem The Marog, okay, chapter number 11, which is a poem. The Marog. Marog. Who is Marog? Marog is an alien, okay, special alien which comes from the planet Mars to the Earth. So special the aliens, those who are the resident of Mars planet, to them we call Marog. Okay, so there is a special type of alien which is called Marog. Okay, so this poem I had explained you in my previous video. There are some difficult words, some word meanings are given. Okay, two word meanings are given here and two word meanings are given on the next page. Okay, here. So these four word meanings you should note down in a table. Okay, how to make the table? Serial number, then words, then meaning. That type you note down these four word meanings. After that word meanings we need to note down dictation words. What are dictation words? The new words, some long words, some words which are new for us and we should know it, and we should know the spelling also, we should learn the spellings. So these type of some difficult words we are going to note down here in the dictation words, and we will divide them. Okay, we will divide them in small syllables. Okay, if we divide the words long spelling into small parts, these small parts are called syllables. Okay, some words has two syllables, some words are long, so they have four syllables. So some words may be broken into 5 syllables. Okay, so these small parts, how to learn these spellings. Okay, read this poem about an alien that lives hidden. Hidden means छुपा हुआ. Among us means हम लोगों के बीच में, among us, and even goes to school, and very surprising that he also goes to school like us. My desk is at the back of the class, at the back side of the class, and nobody knows, but nobody knows. Nobody knows that my desk is at the back side of the class. I am a Marog. So if you don't know the spelling of Marog, you should learn this spelling. M-A-M-R-R-O, Rog. Okay, 3 syllables. From Mars. Mars is a planet which is nearby Earth. So we suppose that there might be some aliens, those who are living on that planet Mars, and they might come to visit Earth, but we cannot see them. With a body of brass. Okay, what is brass? I had already told you what is this is a metal. Okay, yellow color metal by which there are so many things being made. Just like very common which we see in the temples, that is yellow color bell, that is made up of brass. So B-R-A, bra, and double S, sir, brass. Brass is the metal. Second. And 17 fingers and toes. Okay, fingers are in our hand and toes are in our feet. Okay, wouldn't they shriek? Shriek, S-H-R-I-E-K, shriek. Shriek means, the meaning of shriek is given a high pitch, high volume scream. Scream means chillana, shore. Wouldn't they shriek if they knew? If they knew, अगर उनको पता चल जाए. So what is the syllables? S-H-R, shrub. Then I-E, that is, in Hindi we call it बड़ी की मात्रा. Okay, Shri. Okay, then K, K, shra, e, k, shriek, shriek. I have 3 eyes in the back of my head. I have 3 eyes in the back of my head, and my hair is bright purple. So you can also write bright. It is a very simple spelling, but you can write B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. B-R-I, bright. G and H, these are silent. These are especially silent. We don't pronounce it. We pronounce only T. Bright. GH is silent here. We don't pronounce it. Okay. Bright. Chamkila. है ना? Bright purple. My nose is deep blue. Okay. Deep blue. Deep blue means dark blue color. And my teeth are half yellow and half red. My 5 arms, 1, 2, 3 on right side and 1 and 2 in left side, means I have 5 arms. My 5 arms are silver and spiked. Silver is color like your steel metals. Okay, this is steel. This is silver color. Spiked. Spiked means very, very sharp. S-P-I, spike. K-E-D, spiked. Very, very sharp. That is called spiked. With knives. You know the spelling of knives? It is the plural of knife. K-N-I, okay, K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. K is silent, N-I. So these all 3 letters, only K is silent. Knife. Then V-E-S, knives. चाकू जैसे. Okay, sharp knife. With knives on them, sharper than spears. Sharper means बहुत ज़्यादा sharp. Then spears, with comparison to spears. Spears भाले. Okay, which was thrown in the ancient time in the battle. Okay, soldiers were throwing what? Spears. This is a new word. Spears. S-P, spur. E-A, spear. R-S, spear. Spears. Okay. 7th word. I could go back right now if I liked. If I liked, अगर मेरी मर्जी हुई तो मैं वापस भी जा सकता हूं मार्स पे. And return in a million light years. Million. M-I-L-L-I-O-N. Million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So many millions means so many 10 lakhs. Light years. M-I-L-L-I-O-N. Million. Million year. Light year. Light year meaning is given. The distance that light travels in 1 year. The distance which is travelled by a light in 1 year, that distance is called 1 light year. It is used as a unit of measuring distances in space. In space, अंतरिक्ष में, out of earth. Okay, when we go in universe, there is a space. So when the distance is measured in this unit, light year. I could gobble them all. Turn down the page. Could gobble them all. Gobble means eat, swallow. फटाफट निकल जाना. Gobble. I could gobble them all. Gobble. 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 Eat quickly. Gobble. Gobble. I could gobble them all. मैं सभी को खा सकता हूं. For I am 7 foot tall. क्योंकि मैं 7 फुट का इतना लंबा हूं, इसलिए तो मैं सबको खा सकता हूं. And I am breathing. Breathing means inhaling and exhaling green flames. Flames means आग की लपटें. From my ears. Flames. Flames. Flames means आग की लपटें. Flames. And breathing means just like we breathe oxygen from our nose and we exhale carbon dioxide, but we do this respiration process through our nose. But he is breathing green flames from his ears. Wouldn't they yell? Yell means shriek. Same. Yell and shriek and scream, these are same. Wouldn't they yell? चिल्ला चोट करना. YEALL. Yell. Wouldn't they yell? If they knew, अगर उनको पता चल जाए तो वो तो चिल्लाना शुरू कर देंगे. कौन? बच्चे जो क्लास में हैं. If they guessed that Marog was here. If they guessed. So what is the spelling of guess? GUE. SSED. Guessed means अंदाजा होना, clue, hint. U is silent here. Gaze. So U is silent. GUE. We pronounce it gay. SS. Gazed. Wouldn't they shriek if they gazed? That a Marog was here. They haven't a clue. उनको तो कोई क्लू ही नहीं है, कोई आइडिया ही नहीं है. और they wouldn't tremble in fear. Tremble means डर के मारे कांपना. That is shiver. Tremble, shiver. Tremble. Tremble. Shiver. ठंड लगना. Tremble in fear means डर के मारे कांपना. Okay. Look. A Marog. देखो एक Marog है. They would all scream. Again. Shriek. Yell. Scream. Scream is also same. Scream means चीखना. जोर से चिल्लाना. SCR. Scr. EA. In Hindi we call it बड़ी की मात्रा. Scream. 14. They would all scream and smack. झटका लगना. Shock. The blackboard would fall and the ceiling would crack. Ceiling. छत. CEILING. Ceiling. CEI, that is called C. LI, Li, NG, Ng, ceiling, छत. Ceiling would crack पड़ जाएंगे. टीचर would faint, चक्कर आ जाएंगे. Faint, FAINT, faint. So FAI, that is fa, and T, faint. Okay, teacher would faint means चक्कर आ जाएंगे. I suppose, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. I suppose, but I would grin to myself. Grin means हंसना, हंसी मजाक करना, मजाक उड़ाना. I would grin to myself, मैं खुद चुपचाप हंसते रहूंगा. Sitting right at the back, पीछे बैठ करके सब इनके ऊपर हंसता रहूंगा. And nobody knows, और इनमें से किसी को कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा. So that is the poem. Okay, so you should take a screenshot of it. Okay, so these 15 words you should note it down in dictation words after word meanings. Okay, then now let's come to discuss about the book exercise. Okay, reading comprehension. Okay, comprehension means understanding what we had read and how what we had learnt or understood. Take the correct answer. First question. The poem is about an alien from which planet? From moon. Moon is a satellite. Okay, it is not a planet. It is a satellite because it revolves around the planet Earth. So the heavenly bodies, those who revolves around the planet, those are called satellite. So moon is a satellite of Earth. But Earth which revolves around the sun, that is called planet. So the moon is about poem is about an alien from moon. No. Mars or Jupiter. Jupiter is one another planet, na. So I think this poem is about an alien from Mars. So second is correct. Mars is correct. Okay, tick the correct. Mars. The words which tell us that the Marrow could be violent. The words which tell us that the Marrow could be violent is, now what is violent? Word violent means dangerous, खतरनाक, अटैक करने वाला. That is called violent. Who can kill to other. That animal or that alien or that person is called violent person. Means he is always ready to attack. That is called violent. Just like lion. If you go inside in the forest, so you can see that giraffe and deer, these are non-violent animals. But if you see lion, okay, so it is a violent animal. It can attack to you. So lion is a violent animal, but the deer is a non-violent wild animal. Okay, so like that. So which three sentences are given? Which sentence tells us that the alien Marrow could be violent? कि वो violent हो सकता है, खतरनाक हो सकता है. My 5 arms are silver and spiked. His 5 arms are silver and spiked, with knives on them sharper than the spears. और उनके ऊपर बहुत तेज धार वाले चाकू भी लगे हुए हैं. So these words tells us that it could be violent. क्या इससे ये साबित होता है कि वो अटैक कर सकता है? No. भाई किसी भी कोई खतरनाक दिखने वाला जरूरी नहीं है कि वो खतरनाक हो. Okay, so it doesn't tell us that it could be violent. and I am breathing green flames from my ears, or from my ears I am breathing green flames, हरी हरी लपटे आग की निकल रही है. So it doesn't tell that if your appearance is dangerous, it could not be that you must be dangerous also. I could gobble them all. I could gobble them all. मैं इन सब बच्चों को निगल सकता हूं. That is looks like a violent. It could be violent. हाँ भैया, यहां तो वो बोल रहा है कि मैं इनको जब चाहूं तब खा सकता हूं. So it tells us, this line tells us that the alien could be anytime, it could be violent. Though he is not a violent, but it could be violent. Okay, हो सकता है कि violent हो जाए. So third answer 3 is correct. Third line is correct. Next, on the next page number 105, turn down the page number 105. The Marok sits grinning. He sits grinning. Grinning means हंसता है, मजाक उड़ाता है, चुपचाप हंसता है. The Marok sits grinning at the back of the class because, वो क्लास के पीछे बैठ करके ग्रीनिंग क्यों कर रहा है, हंस क्यों रहा है? Because one point, the blackboard has fallen and the teacher has fainted. क्या ब्लैकबोर्ड गिर गया है और टीचर बेहोश हो गए हैं इसलिए वो हंस रहे हैं? सेकेंड ऑप्शन, नो वन नोज दैट ही इज अ मरो. क्या वो इसलिए हंस रहा है कि वो पीछे बैठा है लेकिन किसी को पता ही नहीं है कि ही इज अ मरो. अदर ट्रेम्बल इन फियर ऑफ हिम. सब लोग उससे डर के मारे कांप रहे हैं इसलिए वो हंस रहा है? नहीं. He was grinning to himself because no one knows that he is a Morog in the class. So second answer is correct, that nobody knows that. That's why he was smiling himself. वो खुद हंस रहा है और सबका मजाक उड़ा रहा है. Okay. So the second option is correct. Now exercise B. Complete this table comparing yourself with a Marog. Now you are going to compare your body with Marog's body. Okay, so we are going to compare. Let me clean the board first. What are the differences between your body and Marog's body? Okay, what are the differences between your appearance and Marog's appearance? So exercise is one side, Marog is here, okay, and second side me. Me means you. Okay, first point is place of birth. Where did you take birth and where did he take birth? The place of birth, Marog's place of birth is Mars, and me means you. Your place of birth is Earth. You belongs to Earth planet. Okay. So I should start with the second. First is already given. So you should note it down with pencil in your book. Okay, you should fill it with the pencil. Body is made of, Marog's body is made of brass. Brass is a metal. And our body, your body is made up of bones, muscles, blood, skin, so many things. So I am going to note only bones and muscles. Bones and muscles. Body is made. Okay, number of fingers and toes. Marog has total number of fingers and toes 17. 17, 17, 17, okay? And you have 20. I think almost of you have 20. Okay, there are some special cases of children or the men, those who have 6 fingers in 1 feet or 2 feet. Just like Hrithik Roshan, if you have seen, he has a double thumb in his hand. So might be he is having 21 fingers or toes. Okay, so like that. Number 4. Number of eyes at the back of the head. At the back of a head. Since Marog has 3 eyes at the back of the head. And you, do you have any eyes? No, we generally don't have any eyes. So I can see no or none. None means 0. Koi nahi, none. Fifth, color of hair. What is the color of your hair? Our color hair is color of our hair is black, but his bright purple. P-R-I-G-H-T, bright purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, bright purple. We have black color. Black color of our hair. 6th difference. Color of nose. What color of nose do you have? Because Marog has a deep blue color nose. We have, generally we are fair in color or skin color. Generally you are fair, children are fair in color, so you have fair color of nose or skin color. You can use skin color, whatever skin color is yours. Number of arms. How many number of arms? Number of arms of Marog are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 arms he has. Marog has 5 arms and we have 2 arms. We have 2 arms only. One right hand and left hand. 2 arms each. Now height. According to height, what is your general height? If you have measured your height, since you are in 5th class or you are 11-year-old nearly, so I think your height is 4 feet. But Marog, he has 7 foot tall, and you are, I think, 4 foot. F-O, you are 4 foot. Okay. Feet is shown like this, and you have 4 feet. So you can click or you can take the screenshot. Okay. Now some question answers are given. So in question answers we have only 6 question answers. Now it is your turn. You should try to find out the answers of these questions. Okay, what are the question? What kind of an alien is the Marog? What kind of alien is the Marog? You should find it out. According to the Marog, what reaction would be? Would the class have? What reaction? What is the reaction would the class have if they knew? If they knew, अगर उनको ये पता चल जाए, जानकारी हो जाए that they had an alien among them, कि उनको ये पता चल जाए कि उनकी क्लास में कोई एलियन है, what would be the reaction of the class including teacher? You can find it here in the poem that what reaction would they have. And if the alien violent or peaceful, whether the alien was violent or non-violent, पीसफुल मतलब शांति प्रिय, वायलेंट मीन्स रेडी टू अटैक, जो अटैक करने वाला है। आपको क्या लगता है, बाय सीइंग दिस पोएम वाज ही एन साइलेंट और पीसफुल एनिमल और वाज ही अ वायलेंट एनिमल? How can you tell? And how can you tell if you are saying that he is violent? So how can you tell that he is violent? And if he is a peaceful, how can you judge that he is a peaceful animal? List 3 sound words that have been used in the poem. Sound words. Sound words. The words which are generally used for sound. चिल्लाने के लिए जो यूज होता है. Scream, shriek and yell. These are the 3 sound words which is generally used for making sounds. Why does the Marog repeat the words nobody knows in the poem? Why he is repeating the same words nobody knows, but nobody knows so many times? Why it is repeated so many times? That is, you should think. What is the mood of the alien? You know what is the mood? Sometimes we have in happy mood, sometimes we are in sad mood, or sometimes we are in what we can say excited mood. So what is the mood of the alien in this poem? You should find out that how was he feeling in the class. Okay, whether he is in comic mood, okay, or whether he is a serious mood. So that you need to find out. And some extra question answers. You should also find out some extra question answers from this poem. So that I will provide you in the next video. We will discuss all these question answers and we will note down the question answers. Okay. And one more thing, I had already told you to note down the 10 lines of the poem, 10 beginning lines of the poems, 2 stanzas of the poems starting in cursive writing, in beautiful handwriting. You can draw some drawing also related to aliens or space or universe. Okay, so that is your job, you should do. Okay, so till then I am going to end my lecture here. In the next lecture we will discuss the question answers. Okay, till then, bye, take care.